Hey folks, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to see about full joins and how to run the query and how to execute the query, and we are going to see the basics of the full joins and everything we are going to see in this video. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. Let's see. So basically this is my customer table and this is my orders table. I will show you. And these are my both tables, and in which I have inserted some random data, as you can see here in the front of you. And if we talk about what about the full joint, how does the full joint works, then the answer is that it will create a new table in which it will add only the data, and in which it will add the data from the first table, and from the second table it will add full data. And this is how does the full join works, and in which your common data will also comes. And this is how the full join works. Now I will show you what is the query of the full join and how to execute the query. So basically this is the query of the full joints. As you can see here, select command from customers table, and left joint orders and union we have used, and this is the select command from customers table, and the right join we have used the left join orders command and the right join order commands. And I will show you with the help of the Mysql how to execute the query. So basically this is my data, as you can see here. After that we are going to execute the query, and just simply copy paste here in the MySQL and run it. Here you can see it has combined the both tables and make the and it has created the common table, as you can see here from the both tables. And this is how the join table works like this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. Let's see you in the next video, guys.